we back at it. What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We dropping another banger. Thank you so much for tuning back to my video. If you're a new subscriber, go ahead. Actually, you know what? Stop the routine thing. If you're a new subscriber, go show your boy some love. You feel me? That's all I'm saying. My name is Jonathan Derinor, and I'm here to bring you something different. So today we will be customizing another pair of slides. This is the Trinidad and Tobago flag slides. And guys, I did not record a lot of footage, so this will be an extremely short video. But I just wanted to showcase what I've done to you guys, and hopefully you guys picked at least something up from it, at least something. So let's continue with the video. Thank you so much for watching my whole video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in purchasing any of these slides, any of my custom design sneakers, go ahead. The link will be in the description. Also, leave in the comment section below what kind of content you guys want me to produce, what kind of questions you have, what questions can I answer for you guys. Anything you have, any suggestions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, alright, you guys, stay blessed.